This live class, we want to look at exponential equation. That is, we solve some problem involving exponential equations in this class. Now let's look at the first one here. When we have something simple as 3 raised to power x equals to 9. From here, we can find x by making the two sides to have the same base. That is, here we have 3 raised to power x equals to 9 can be written as 3 squared. That is 3 times 3, that's 9. And here we have the same base. When we have a raised to power m equals to a raised to power n, this same thing as m equals to n because the base are equal. So here we have x equals to 2 on this side. So that is that. Now let's look at another question here. That is, here we have 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 8. 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 8. In the same way here, we have base 2 here. We can make 8 here to also be base 2. And we have 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals to, here we have 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. That is 2 multiply itself 3 times. That will give us 8. Then also the base are equal. Then we can equate the power and we have x plus 1 equals to 3. Then taking 1 to this side, plus 1 will become minus, and we have x equals to 3 minus 1, which implies x equals to 2. So we have x equals to 2 as well from this given equation. Now let's look at another one, number 3. We have 2 raised to power, okay, let's look at this one, 4 raised to power x equals to 8 raised to power minus 3. And here as well, we can make the two sides to have same base. That is, here 4, we can write that as 2 squared, then raised to power x, then equals to, also here 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, then raised to power minus 3, which implies here, when we have a raised to power m, raised to power n, this, the power multiply and we have a raised to power mn. Then here, this power multiplies, we have 2 raised to power 2x, then equals to 2 raised to power minus 3 times 3, that gives us minus 9. Then we equate the power as well, and we have 2x equals to minus 9. So to get x here, we divide both sides by 2, and we have x equals to minus 9 over 2. And we can put it in mixed fraction, which is minus 4 number. So x equals to minus 4 number 1 over 2. So that is that. Now, we are solving question on the exponential equation now. Let's look at another one from here. Okay. We have 5 raised to power, okay, 5 raised to power x, then raised to power 2 equals to, okay. So let's write the next question here, number 4. So we have 5 raised to power x, then raised to power 2 equals to 25. Oh, okay. Then here also we can change both sides to have base 5. So we have 5 raised to power x squared equals to, here this 25, we can write it as 5 squared. Then base are the same now. Then we equate the power and we have x squared equals to 2. Then we take the square root on both sides. We apply square root on both sides here. And square cancel square root here. So we have x now equals to plus or minus root 2 here. So that is the value of x. Now let's look at some other ones here. Also, number 5, we have 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 equals to 32. Now, from here, we solve this equation as well. We can make the two sides to have same base. Here we already have 2 raised to power 2x plus 1. Then on this side, 32 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 5. That is 2 multiplied itself 5 times. That will give us 32, okay? Then, the base are equal now. We can now say 2x plus 1 is equals to 5. That is, bringing plus 1 to this side become minus. And we have 2x equals to 5 minus 1, which implies that here we have 2x equals to 4. So divide both sides by 2 here to get x. This cancels out and we have x equals to 4 over 2 here, that's 2. So we have the answer to this problem as 2. Then also let's solve another one here, which is number 6 now. We have 2 raised to power x minus 1 is equals to 1 over 4. Now, also here, we can solve this exponential equation by we can write this side from when we have 1 over a raised to power n, 1 over a raised to power n in the law of indices. This is the same thing as a raised to power minus n, because here 1 over is standing as negative index. So whenever we have reciprocal, is also denoted as negative index, which implies that here what we have can be expressed as 2 raised to power x minus 1 equals to 1 over 2 square when we change 4 to base 2. And when we follow this now, it implies we have 2 raised to power x minus 1 here equals to 2 raised to power minus 2. And the base are now equal. So we equate the power. Then this becomes x minus 1 equals to minus 2. So we need to take minus 1 to the right hand side to become plus. And we have x equals to minus 2 plus 1. That is x equals to minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1. So minus 1 here is the solution to this particular exponential equation. Then also, let's look at this as well as number 7. We have 3 raised to power 2x equals to 27. 3 raised to power 2x equals to 27. We can change 27 as well to a number in base 3, so that we have 3 raised to power 2x equals to 3 raised to power 3. 3 multiplied itself 3 times will give us 27. And the base are equal now. We equate the power and we have 2x equals to 3. Then to get x here, just divide both sides by 2 and we have x now equals to 3 over 2, which is also 1 over 2. That is the solution to that exponential equation from that place. Now let's look at this as number 8. So number 8 from here, let's solve this, which is 4 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 8 raised to power x. Then also here, we can change both sides to have same base. And the least base we can use here is base 2. So we have 2 raised to power 2 here as 4. Then raised to power x plus 1. Then equals to also 8 as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power x. Then, since we know that here this power multiplies, that is 2 multiply x and 1. So we have 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 now. And here, the base are now equal from what we have. We have the power now, we can equate it, and we have 2x plus 2 equals to 3x. And we do something we collect the like terms. We can take x to one side, separate the one without x to the other side. That is, when we maintain this 2x here, taking 3x here, it will become minus 3x. And equals to taking plus 2 here become minus 2. And 2x minus 3x here become minus x equals to minus 2. So multiply 2 by minus here, minus will cancel each other. So we have x equals to 2. So which implies the solution to this particular exponential equation here is also 2. And also let's look at this as number 9. Number 9, we have 2x, 2 raised to power x, rather, equals to 1. So this also is an exponential equation which we can solve by making the base on the two sides to be the same, okay? Now here we already have 2 raised to power x and equals to 1 here can be expressed as 2 raised to power 0, because any number raised to power 0 is 1. A raised to power 0 is equals to 1. That's part of the law of indices. Then the base are equal now. We can equate to the power and we have x equals to 0 from here. So that's the value of x in this given problem. Then we can also solve some other ones. Like, okay, let's make this as number 10 from here. We have number 10. 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 3x minus 1, then close bracket equals to 1 on this side. What this one means that these two terms, they multiply. The use of brackets here indicates multiplication in math. That is the same thing as writing that 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 3x minus 1, then equals to 1 here is same thing as 3 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Then here we can add this power because same base multiplying the law of indices. When we have a raised to power m times a raised to power n, this is same thing as a raised to power m plus n. Then here we have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x minus 1, 3 raised to power x plus 3x minus 1 rather equals to 3 raised to power 0. And we can write this as 3 raised to power x plus 3x, that's 4x minus 1 equals to 3 raised to power 0. Now, the base are equal. We can equate the power and we have 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Then, taking minus 1, separate minus 1 to the right hand side. Minus 1 will become plus. So we have 4x equals to 1. To get x here, divide both sides by 4. We have x equals to 1 over 4. So let's stop here at number 10 today. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching. Please share this video, give a thumbs up, and put your comment. Also, you can subscribe not to miss out on our videos. And thank you. We appreciate. See you next class. Have a wonderful day and bye for now.